Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Note Media Global, proudly hosted by Note Academy. We're excited to have you here. On this channel, you'll gain access to practical media and tech training sessions and real-world strategies from industry professionals. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell.
Hello guys, today I'll be sharing with you an amazing AI platform that can help you to design your presentation. That means you don't need to struggle. And so there's this AI platform called NotebookLM owned by Google. So just type notebooklm.google.com and here you would have to sign in with your Gmail account. And once you are in, you have featured notebooks, and here you can click on create new notebook. So there are a lot of features on this NotebookLM. The first one is you can generate an AI podcast based on your sources, and here you can also generate an explainer video presented to you by AI. You can also generate an AI mind map based on your sources, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographics, slide deck, and data table. So this is actually an amazing platform that you can get measures just from one platform. Yes. So let's say we want to make a research staff onboarding. Let me say let's type. So once you're done with your prompts, just click on this arrow button and NotebookLM begins to search for the results of your prompt. And there are lots of sources here. So you can just say import. So you can decide to unmark certain stuff that doesn't suit your request. So keep looking at this chat box. You have it here. You see. So the AI platform, so the NotebookLM will ask you, how do top brand design employee handbook with culture? So you can just decide that okay, you want this answer as well. You would have the answer as well. You can also check some other stuff that relates to your request. So yes, please great. While this one is generating, you can click on slide deck. Yeah, you can click on it. So we have the infographic and the slide deck.
And once you're done generating the documents, you can download them either as PDF PowerPoint file to your system.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. Your enjoying helps us reach more people who are eager to learn and grow just like you.